Everybody, what's up and welcome to today's video guys, and today I'll be showing you how you edit pages on your Squarespace website. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys, go ahead to the official squarespace.com website and log into your account. After logging in guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is your dashboard where you can see all your websites that you have. So guys, go ahead and click on the website where you want to edit your pages for, and this will open up our website in the page. So guys, when in this page, you will see that you have some options at the left side of the page that you can use for editing your website. And the first option right here is called pages. So go ahead and click on pages guys, and here you can see all the pages that you have on your website. So go ahead and find the page that you want to edit. Let's say we want to edit our fitness page. This will now open up our page, and now we want to go ahead and click the edit button in the upper left corner. So guys, go ahead and click on edit right here. And after clicking on edit guys, you'll be greeted by this option to edit your page. Here you can select the option to either edit your section or your header. You can do whatever you want. Click on edit section right here. You can change your formats, you can change the background, you can change whatever you need. And after that guys, after you're done with editing your page, all you want to do is go ahead and click done in the upper left corner, and your changes will be saved to your Squarespace website. So guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.